Created the universe and the earth. So in the book of Genesis, we were told that Jehovah came and created the earth. And according to the Bible, the earth was created 6,000 years ago. 6,000 years. Yes, you can calculate it because the number of men between Adam and Jesus was clearly listed in the book of Matthew chapter 1 and Luke chapter 3. And their ages were mentioned, so we know it's 6,000 years.
Olúkálùkù ló fẹnu pọ́n títí ẹ̀. Àwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó máa yé àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn mùsùlùmí rèé o. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá gbọ́. Àwa ò tako yín, ohun tó ọ̀rọ̀ là ń sọ. Kristẹni lèmi náà. Mo gbé fídíò síta torí àwa ò nígbàgbọ́ lórí àwọn ìtàn pé Adam and Eve ni wọ́n kọ́kọ́ dá sílé ayé tí a dẹ̀ ṣèwádìí pé 6,000 years ní gbogbo ìtàn yẹn. Ẹ wá wo ìtàn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ọmọ Igbo yìí ló gbé fídíò yìí síta. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó ọmọ Igbo sọ. Bókọ̀ ṣe ti jẹ́ pé àwọn years tó bù sí orí ti ilẹ̀ Igbo yẹn kò tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìtàn Igbo kò tóbi tó fẹnu bù sí yẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ó ń pe 1 million years. 1 million years ló ń bù fúnlẹ̀ Igbo. Ó ń bù 50 years fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ó ní àwọn sáìdì kan náà ní sáìdì north. Ó bù bí 8,000 years. Ó ní bí 8,000 years. Olúkálùkù ló máa ń fẹnu pọ́n títí ẹ̀. Kò síbi kankan tẹ́tí lè lọ ṣèwádìí àwọn Igbo. Àwọn tó ń sọ pé they are third daughter of Israel. Wọ́n ní third daughter of Israel làwọn. Wọ́n ní third daughter of Israel làwọn. Ẹ wá wo ilé ìtàn tí gbé jáde ní Abia. Mo ti ń gbọ́ àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́n ní sáìdì Onitsha pé lọ́dún kan tó máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pọ̀ bàbí ni máa ń wá bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n nítorí pé ó mọ̀ pé ibẹ̀ làwọn ti wá. Àwọn ọmọ Igbo gbogbo nǹkan láyé dèrú, gbogbo nǹkan yín, gbogbo nǹkan. Anyway, màá fẹ́ ká wo fọ́nrán yẹn náà. Kẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ. These are the things we need to know. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò.
If I open my mouth now and tell you say that God of Christian no exist, you go doubt me? Will you doubt me if I open my mouth tell you say the God of Christian in the Bible does not exist anywhere? Will you doubt me? Oh yeah, now I want to prove to you
4 places that existed in Nigeria before Jehovah created the universe and the earth. So in the book of Genesis, we were told that Jehovah came and created the earth. And according to the Bible, the earth was created 6,000 years ago. 6,000 years. Yes, you can calculate it because the number of men between Adam and Jesus was clearly listed in the book of Matthew chapter 1 and Luke chapter 3. And their ages were mentioned, so we know it's 6,000 years. In no particular order. Number 1, the Yoruba land. They have found through DNA testing. Scientists tested the DNA of Yoruba people and they found out that 19% of Yorubas have a DNA they now call ghost DNA. They said an ancient human species mixed up there, was living there. So much so that 19% of them have the DNA of this species, and when they dated it, it dated back to 50,000 years ago. Meanwhile, Jehovah created the world 6,000 years ago. These people, it means that the towns there have been existing at least minimum, not that is not more than, but minimum 50,000 years minimum. And it's undeniable. You can't argue because it's DNA evidence. The same DNA they used to do paternity tests in courts to know if you are the father of your child. Like that, they're able to trace it back. They say that there's an entire human population, ancient human population that is unknown to science. They don't know what this human population look like, but they can find the DNA in 19%. Ancient ones. The Yorubas have been there. Some towns there have been there for 50,000 years minimum. Don't be surprised in future if they can discover more, like more evidence that they are much older in terms of some towns there. Here is evidence. I like to put evidence for people that argue. The ghost DNA Yoruba genome comes from an ancient undiscovered hominin species. Because the ancient group interbred with early humans, their DNA makes up 2 to 19% of modern Yoruba and Mende genomes. So there's a place called Mende, I think in Togo also. So look at the dating here, 43 to 50,000 years ago. Go and Google it. Ghost DNA of Yoruba people. Which means some of their customs and traditions and practices are thousands of years old. Not be something where they invent today. Number 2, the Yobe people. Okay, so there's a place called Dufuna in Yobe. They went there and found a boat by the riverside. When they carbon dated the boat, bro, they found out that the boat was at least 8,500 years old. 2,500 years before Jehovah created the world. So which means the town there has been existing minimum, not that it's not modern, but minimum 8,500 years old. That people have been fishing there. The village there where they are fishing has been there. Read it. The ancient watercraft you are referring to as the Dufuna is the Dufuna canoe, unearthed in Yobe State, Nigeria. Radiocarbon dating places the canoe at approximately 8,000 to 8,500 years old, making it the oldest boat discovered in Africa. The whole of Africa, oldest boat is in that place, Dufuna, in Yobe State. It was discovered, okay, in 1987 by a Fulani herdsman named Malam Yao, who was digging a well near the village of Dufuna. So if you go to that town, you're going to see the ancient ones. If you're looking for ancient. Last but not the least, number 3. They found an axe factory. And a factory where ancient humans were making axes in a place in Abia State. And when they carbon dated the axis, it dated to 1 million fucking years, bro. Now this place is called Ugwele Uturu Archaeological Site in Ngodo, linked Ngodo community in Isukwato local government area in Abia State. Okay. Okay, celebrated by archaeologists as the largest Stone Age axe factory and tool workshop in the world, in the whole world. The largest Stone Age factory. They found it in Nigeria in a place called Abia State. This is where Abia State is located, in Igbo land. And Igbos have a saying that Igbos did not come from anywhere. Igbos have no origin history. If you look at our folklores, our music and everything in Igbo land, it did not say any Igbo people came from anywhere. The only thing you can learn is communities coming from the other neighboring community, right? But you're not going to see that the people say that they are Igbo. That is, the name Igbo means Ndibo, like the ancient ones. Now science is proving that that theory is actually correct. While most standard textbook conservatively date the Acheolan stone tool layers to at least 250,000 years, several researchers and global historical comparisons propose that the earliest tool making activities in the site could indeed stretch 500,000 to 1 million years ago. So if I go to that town in Ugweloturu or Isukwato, I'm going to see people who their fathers, their grandfather, their great-grandfather, their ancestors have been there for 1 million years, bro. Even before Jehovah even conceived that he's going to create the world. So what does that tell you about that story in Genesis? I want to know what you think about that story in Genesis after reading this. Write it in the comments. Some people are saying that the story is, the world there does not refer to the whole world. It refers to the world of the Israelites, the ancient Israelites. They are writing their own story. How they came about. It's not the same thing with the whole of Africa. You let me know what you think, right? Comment section. Now I have to put a caveat for people with 2% IQ. Number 1, the places I mentioned are just the places I can find. If you know somewhere else, especially your town, go and research your town, know what they have found there, write it in the comments. And it's in no particular order. If you think I'm wrong in any of this, please correct me. Share this video, click this share to share so that your people can be proud and
Egbo, ṣẹ́gbọ́n kan tó sọ. Ṣé rí nípa ghost DNA tó mú ẹni báyìí mo ti máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. This ghost DNA, nígbà tí wọ́n náà ṣe ìwádìí ghost DNA yẹn, wọ́n ní kò sí ẹ̀yà kan tó dàbí ti Yorùbá. Wọ́n ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti wá ń funra pé ṣé kìí ṣe ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn people yìí ní ilé ayé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. torí àwa Yorùbá nìkan ló ní dá DNA tó ń pè ní ghost DNA yẹn. Àwọn olùwádìí fi hàn pé àwa Yorùbá nìkan ló ní. Ṣé ẹ ti máa rí bẹ́yẹn? Ṣó ti yé wa bọ̀? Ó yé wa bọ̀ bẹ́yẹn. Wọ́n fi hàn pé Yorùbá nìkan ló ní ghost DNA yẹn. Ibo làwọn Igbo ti rí ìtàn tí wọ́n pa tó ń sọ pé 1 million years ní Abia State bọ́nà ti rí. Àwọn náà ní nǹkan ìṣẹ̀báyé, ṣùgbọ́n mo rántí ìgbà kan táwọn olùwádìí kan lọ sí Ilé Ifẹ̀ tí Ọọ̀ni tó fi ó ní ẹ̀yin ọmọ Igbo family house yìí nìyẹn bẹ̀ yẹn o, nǹkan kan bẹ́yẹn. Ṣé rí bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn? Ṣé ẹ rántí àwọn Ugbo ní Ondo State tó ń sọ pé àwọn làwọn ní Ilé Ifẹ̀? Ṣé mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan tá bá wo inú movie ó ní fíìmù kan tí Múyìwá Adémọ́lá Authentic kọ́ ló ṣe, Múyìwá Adémọ́lá Authentic ló ṣe movie yẹn. Wọ́n fi story yẹn wọ́n fi act movie. Nígbà táwọn Igbo tó ń kógun jà Ilé Ifẹ̀, ìkoríko lásán náà máa ń kó sára, alẹ́ dẹ̀ náà máa ń wá. Until nígbà tí Mọ́remí tí wọ́n fẹ́ Mọ́remí lọ sí Igbo ni Mọ́remí wá padà wá Ilé Ifẹ̀ tó tú àṣírí wọn. Torí Mọ́remí act as a secret police. Ṣé mo bá àwọn secret police yẹn kò sí nǹkan tí wọ́n lè dánwò. Secret police tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ wọn, wọ́n á fi ara wọn sílẹ̀, especially àwọn obìnrin wọn. Wọ́n á máa fẹ́, wọ́n á fẹ́ kó bá wọn sùn. Inú iṣẹ́ dẹ̀ ni wọ́n wà o. Àwọn tó gbé iṣẹ́ sórí. Wọ́n á fara wọn jìn, kò sí nǹkan tó lè bá wọn ṣe. O lè gbé pẹ̀lú wọn for years. Ẹnu iṣẹ́ dẹ̀ ni wọ́n wà. Ẹnu iṣẹ́ ni wọ́n wà. O lè máa fúnra sí wọn. Wọ́n á máa change owó kan. Ẹni tó ń bá sùn tó ẹjọ́ ń ṣe pọ̀ ó tẹ́ lè ní ìfúnra pé bóyá kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọjọ́ ní ọjọ́ kan ni wọ́n á kọ̀ yọ sí ẹ. Òun ni Mọ́remí ṣe. Òun ni Mọ́remí. Ṣé Mọ́remí ni? Ó dà pé Mọ́remí náà ni. Ṣé mo pé ìgbà tí wọ́n wá padà mú kíní artifact ẹ̀ ó wà ní Ugbo títí dè ní níbi tó ti mú Mọ́remí tọ̀rọ̀ pé ó dalẹ̀. Wọ́n kó kíní sí lọ́wọ́, wọ́n di ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Kíní yẹn wà ńbẹ̀ títí dè ní. Ó wà ńbẹ̀. Àwọn Ugbo àwọn nìyẹn. Wọ́n ní originated Ilé Ifẹ̀, wọ́n láwọn ló ní Ilé Ifẹ̀. Torí wọ́n ṣe máa ń pàtàn ẹ̀, mo máa ń rí lórí ayé. Gbogbo wa náà ló ń rí lórí ayélujára. Gbogbo ẹ̀yà ló fẹ́nu ń pọ́n tiẹ̀. Àwọn India náà ní ìtàn tiwọn. Àwọn China náà ní ìtàn tiwọn. Bẹ́yẹn ni àwọn tó ní ìtàn tiwọn pé ọ̀dọ̀ wọn nílé ayé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọdún nígbà tó wá calculate ọdún táwọn ọmọ Kristẹni tó máa fẹ́ sọ ń sìn, wọ́n ní 1 year ó dàbí 1 million days ni bọ́n ṣe máa ń sọ nìyẹn. Ní 6 years tó ń bù sí yẹn. Kò síbi tá a lè yí gbogbo àwọn kíní wọ̀nyí sí. Àṣírí ti tú. Àṣírí ti tú. There is no how èèyàn méjì péré òun ló máa wá bí gbogbo ayé. Adam and Eve wọ́n lòun ló bí gbogbo ayé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣó mọ́ ọpọlọ wá. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀? All these things are fallacy. All these things are not real. Kò possible. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe? Lẹ́yìn méjì. Ọlọ́run ló dá ẹ wò. Àwa gan à lè máa fẹnu sọ pé àwa ló dá, àwa ni wọ́n kọ́kọ́ dá, àwa ló wá dá. Kò possible bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò possible bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ló mọ̀ ó dá àwọn ti China síbẹ̀. Ó dá àwọn ti but nígbà tí mo ti ṣe àwọn ìwádìí kan, ẹ lè lọ search fún lórí Google. Kẹ́ béèrè pé ibo ni ayé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn olùwádìí náà fi hàn pé in Africa náà ni wọ́n dárúkọ. Africa kì summarize ẹ̀. In any way tẹ́ bá fi lè béèrè. Torí mo gbà pé mo ṣe search kíní, I think I ask ibo ni ayé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ àbí mi rántí mo ṣe search fún kíní yẹn báyìí. Wọ́n ní somewhere in Africa náà ni wọ́n tẹnu mọ́ pé ilé ayé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mẹ́nu bà the Adam and Eve yẹn. Wọ́n ní bọ̀tí wà ń bẹ̀. Underline. Wọ́n fi bọ̀tí sí that is not real. Nǹkan tó ń mì nìyẹn. So gbogbo ìtàn a máa sọ pé Allah ló dá Allah ló dá ilé ayé. Allah. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fọpọlọ gbé gbogbo kíní wọ̀nyí. Okay, nígbà táwa jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ń sìn, àjọ ọmọ Yorùbá, a lọ máa support àwọn ẹ̀yà míì pé ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ní ilé ayé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Tó dẹ̀ pé àwọn ní ìtàn tiwọn, ẹ̀yin ní ìtàn tí. Èmi rò pé àwọn bàbá wa sọ pé tẹni àkísà ni tààtàn. Èmi rò pé bọ́n ṣe sọ nìyẹn. Ṣé bá àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò rèé táwọn gbé ìtàn tiwọn síta, àwọn ènìyàn wọn bá gbọ́ ìtàn yẹn nísìn, àwọn náà á roko sákàtà ara wọn. Ibi 1 million years yẹn làwọn náà mẹ́nubà. Wọ́n á lọ́dọ̀ wọn láyé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ẹ wo 6 years, 8 years, àwọn tí àwọn Hausa wọ́n ní 8 years ní ìtàn tí wọ́n rí lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Èyí ní ẹ wo ihò eléérú níbi tí wọ́n ti discover agbárí ènìyàn. Oríṣiríṣi ọdún ni wọ́n bù fún. Àwọn kan ní 13,000 years. Ihò eléérú ní Ìṣàrán ní Ondo State. Tó bá ń bọ̀ ní àti Iléṣà, tó bá fẹ́ wọ Àkúrẹ́, ẹ máa wo signboard by the left. Ìṣàrán, ihò eléérú ni wọ́n pè ìlú yẹn. A ti rán àbúrò mi lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti lọ ṣàwọn ìwádìí kan mẹ́gbàá yẹn. But wọ́n ti secure ọbẹ̀ yẹn sìn. Before you can go to that place, wàá kọ́kọ́ lọ gba àṣẹ láti Ondo State government before kẹ́ tó lè lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn sìn. Ondo State government máa fún iná approval. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ débẹ̀ ẹ lọ sílé ọba kan tó lè mú yín lọ bẹ̀. Bóyá kó ṣe rí náà nìyẹn. Ó yẹ kó gbogbo kí ni wọ́n, this is our tourist. Ó yẹ kó àwọn tourism tá a ní ti pọ̀ jù. Tó bá yẹ pé ìjọba wa jẹ́ ìjọba olórí pípé ni, àwọn nǹkan tá máa mú owó wá fún wa nínú ìlú nìyẹn. Ọlọ́run á fún wa ní ààbò. Ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò yìí ká kọ́kọ́ mú ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀. Tí ààbò bá ti wà, a lè mọ the next thing. Torí tourist tó fẹ́ wá ń sìn, ṣé kò ní máa bẹ̀rù orí ara ẹ̀ kó máa wá jí òun gbé. These are the things. Tọ́nà bá wa ṣe, tọ́nà bá wa ṣẹ́gun ẹ̀. Tí tekun ké bí eku, tẹ́yẹ ké bí ẹyẹ nínú ìlú, tí èèyàn rìn bó ṣe wù ú, tí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ajínigbé yìí tó lọlẹ̀, we will know where to start. We will know where to start. So that is it. Àwọn kan bu ìtàn sí pé 13,000 years. Àwọn kan ní 150 something years. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní àwọn agbárí score yẹn, wọ́n ló ṣe wà ní lab ní Germany títí dé ní. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí. Ẹ kú ojúmọ́. Tẹ́ni tàkísà ni tààtàn. Ó ti ṣe àwa náà bẹ́ẹ̀ rí. A fẹ́ máa gbọ́ anything against Jésù. Ìtàn onítàn, kí ló ń ṣe wá àwa ọmọ Áfíríkà? Kí ló ń ṣe wá àwa ọmọ aláwọ̀ dúdú? Àmọye ara wa. Àwọn olùwádìí àwọn òyìnbó wọ́n fẹnu ara wọn sọ pé Áfíríkà láyé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìwọ lọ sí Ethiopia. Go to Ethiopia. Go and listen to their story. Ẹ lọ gbọ́ story Ethiopia. Go and do research about Ethiopia. Ẹ ti gbà pé yes, ibi báyìí náà láyé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Pẹ̀lú àwọn ìtàn tí wọ́n ní, àwọn ìtàn tó wà lọ́dọ̀ wọn ní Ethiopia. Ìjẹ́ mọ̀ pé Ethiopia wọ́n ń lo the same calendar. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n yàtọ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan wọn ló yàtọ̀. In fact, the way tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ gan, ó ti tó láti sọ pé Ethiopia ní ayé ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìkan nìyẹn o. Ẹ lọ gbogbo nǹkan wọn, ẹ lọ gbogbo ìṣesí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀. I think the first Bible náà kọ́kọ́ kọ, according to àwọn researcher, wọ́n ní Ethiopia náà ni. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ Christianity tá à ń sọ, wọ́n ní Ethiopia gbogbo ẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn òyìnbó mú gbogbo ìtàn wa, wọ́n yí lórí padà. Wọ́n pollute ẹ̀, wọ́n turn upside down. We need to be wise, Africa. This is the time for us to be wise. This is the time. We need to take our heritage. We need to take it back. Ẹ wo Traoré bó ṣe ń fight. Ẹ wo bó ṣe ń fight at that age, small boy. Very small boy. Ẹ wo bó ṣe ń fight fáwọn ènìyàn rẹ̀. This is what we are expecting for all Africa. We need to unite. United of Africa. Ó yẹ ká unite, ká ní wọ́n ká máa ná owó kan ní Africa. Ká máa lo the same passport in Africa. Ká unite, ká lè fight àwọn people yìí. We have everything. Wọ́n bẹ̀rù wa bó ṣe wà. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé spiritual ọ̀dọ̀ wa ló wà. Wọ́n mọ̀, they know, they cannot dispute that. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run gbé agbára fún wa. Ẹ wo àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láfíríkà, kò síbi tẹ́ ẹ ti lè rí. Ibo lẹ ti fẹ́ rí? Ibo lẹ ti gbọ́ rí nínú ìtàn pé ẹnìkan ń yọná lẹ́nu? Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n ti rí. Ṣé báwọn òyìnbó Portugal kọ sílẹ̀?